Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the static properties. Static properties. Static properties can be called directly without creating an instance of classes. That means we can call static property without creating new object, without creating new instance. Static properties are declared with the static keyword. Yeah, static properties we declared using the static keyword. Okay, let's jump into the code example to understand this. Let's create a PHP class called user. Sorry, class user. In here, I will create the static method property called public static dollar name. Okay, first I will let's say it says name is Sam. Okay, first I will create. I will show you how to access this, how we can access this property outside from the class. We can access like this, user dollar name. Okay, here we can access. I think I done this before as well. Yeah, here we can see the same result, and also we can access this. That means when it's come to the inheritance, let's say class admin extend user, we can access this several ways. That means it can be have within the normal function. That means when our child class it refer this variable within the its method. That means normal method like this public function info. This is normal method, and within this normal method, we can return this uh, static parent static property like this. Here we can use parent keyword, parent dollar name. Okay, then we can create using this child object dollar admin object equal to um, new admin. Okay, now echo we can echo dollar admin object and let's say info. Now we can see the result. Let's say we can add something to here. That means uh, uh, child parent. Let's say parent uh, name parent name equal to this from child. Uh, let's go to the browser and refresh this. Oops, what happened? Okay, here we need to add let's go to browser. Here, as you can see, we are accessing this from child, and it's returning the parent static uh, property value. Here, this is the one way we can, that mean using the parent, we can access this, and also using self keyword, we can access this property. Same result. And also another way is without using this extend, we can use that means without using the inheritance, we can use directly. We can directly get the value from the using the user. That means using the class name, we can directly refer this variable. These are the ways we can access this static property. We can declare the static property like this. We can assign value within the method within the class or from outside of the class. Yeah, these are the ways we can use these static method properties. I hope you guys understand the basic idea behind of static properties. And yeah, I think this video useful, and thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much.